Hey guys, hope you're doing good today. So I haven't been as active the past couple weeks just because the market's been really choppy, but recently we had some nice bullish PA, so I figured I'd start going over it again. I'm going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana for a technical analysis. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So we can see Bitcoin has had a nice bullish run the past week. It actually broke 28,000 on Monday, and then now it's gearing up towards that next resistance point of 30,700. Now, anyone who's following me on Twitter at the CryptoData, I post these TA updates every day, so definitely go ahead and follow me there if you aren't. But right now, again, these three moving averages I do have on the daily chart are the 50-day moving average for green, the yellow is a 100-day EMA, and then the purple is the 200-day EMA. So again, we broke above all three of these, which is extremely bullish, and we have continued above. Now again, I mentioned this 30 to 31K level as resistance. You do not want to be longing right here, okay? The big thing is waiting for confirmation. So if it actually confirms and it has a daily close above this 31,500, then I will be getting very, very bullish for Bitcoin. But again, not until then. So I'm continuing to short anywhere it gets from this 30,007 to 31.5, 32,000, because that is the best risk to reward right now. Now, if I were you, again, we're still in that kind of chop zone in the middle here. I would wait for it to get towards 28,000 if you're thinking about longing, and again, shorting if it gets the resistance near 31,000. So if it falls below 28, then again, the next resistance or support is 25,000. So definitely keep an eye on that. Now, looking at Ethereum here, Ethereum hasn't been as bullish as Bitcoin. One of the reasons here you can see it's because it is below all three EMAs. You know, it's looking to break above the 50 EMA right now, but hasn't closed above it yet. So for Ethereum, we have a midterm, short-term resistance point of 1650, and then a major resistance at 1730 to 1750. So right now what I'm waiting for, again, I'm not trading this chop. If you want to be a little bit more risky, you can look at shorting here at 1650, or what I'm going to do is wait until it gets up to 1730 before shorting, because you can see it has proved as resistance those past two times. Now, if we do get back down to this 1530 to 1550 level, I will be looking to long again, because as you can see, since September 11th, it has shown as major support there. So that is a good level for anyone looking. But again, Ethereum right now has a lot more resistance points because of these extra moving averages to break through. So I'm not as bullish on Ethereum. But again, if it can break through all of these and close above 1750, then look for Ethereum to go towards that $2,000 again, because that will be extremely bullish. Now, last but not least, looking at Solana. So Solana is a coin that's caught a lot of people by surprise, as you can see by this chart. It had previous two resistance points that has broken above the past 3 days alone, and right now it's looking to get on its next one. Now, Solana, again, it's gaining a lot of traction, and again, there was a lot of basically FUD around it because everyone thought it was a Sam coin, Sam Bankman-Fried, the guy who's right now looking to go to jail, who's the FTX founder. So really, he just had a lot of the coin. It wasn't his coin per se. He did not create it. So a lot of that FUD has been dispelled, and now people are looking to migrate over to the ecosystem again. And I am one who is bullish on the Solana ecosystem. Okay, Crown is another coin on the Solana ecosystem, which I'll talk about in another video. But again, there are a lot of opportunities on Solana, especially as it continues to rise. So right now, what I'm looking for is it to close above this previous resistance of 2760. If we can close above that today, then I will be eyeing my next target of $37. Because if you zoom out, again, you have to zoom out way far here on the chart, but that $37 was resistance on November 6th. So as you can see, Solana has been under this resistance for the past 11 months. Okay, so right now this action we're seeing is extremely bullish. A lot of people are targeting $50, but again, take this level by level. If you are looking to enter Solana, I highly recommend, again, waiting for it to close on the daily above 2750, but look to long at 2750 if that closes, and then as well at $25. That is another good support level. So again, never rush to force a trade, guys. Emotions, you have to control them, especially in trading. Only trade whenever it is advantageous for you, longing at support and shorting at resistance, okay? I'll work on talking more about technical analysis because a lot of people have asked me about that. But again, follow me on Twitter at the CryptoData. I talk about a lot of TA on there as well, and then any other questions you have. And then please, guys, if you have any questions on this video, comment below. If you liked it, I really appreciate it if you liked the video. And subscribe if you have not. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.